What if getting older is not about losing beauty but discovering what beauty really means? There is a moment in every woman's life when the mirror stops being a judge and becomes a storyteller. For Alexandra, that story is not about trying to look younger, it is about becoming more completely herself. Her journey can be understood not simply through photographs or fashion, but through the choices behind them. The gradual shift from following expectations to trusting her own instincts with maturity came a different relationship with beauty, less about perfection, more about presence, less about impressing others, more about feeling comfortable in her own identity. And perhaps that is where Alexandra becomes truly inspiring. This video is created for educational and inspirational purposes, encouraging viewers to learn from Alexandra's approach to style, beauty, fitness, and confidence. The ideas shared here are generally lifestyle insights, not medical advice. Imagine Alexandra standing before the wardrobes. The question is no longer what is fashionable today, it becomes what expresses who I am. The change this question can transform personal style. Elegant dressing begins with understanding fit and proportion. A beautifully chosen garment does not need to compete the attention. It should work with the person wearing it. Thoughtful colors, interesting textures, refined accessories, and flattering shouted can create a wardrobe that feels intentional rather than crowded with trends, because timeless style is not about owning more, it is about choosing better and choosing pieces that feel authentic. The same philosophy can be applied to beauty. Mature beauty does not need to hide maturity. Healthy skin, consistent skincare, thoughtful grooming, nourishing habits, adequate rest, and personal confidence can create a natural sense of radiance. The goal is not erase every sign of time, but to care for yourself while allowing individuality to remain visible. Then comes movement. For Alexandra, fitness represents something deeper than appearance. Strength supports posture, movement supports mobility. Regular activity can contribute to energy, resilience, and well-being. When a woman feels physically capable, that confidence often begins to influence how she walks, speaks, dresses, and carries herself. So perhaps Alexandra's most valuable lesson is not particular outfit, beauty routine of workout. It is decision to keep evolving. For women over 40, there is a deadline for reinvention. Your style can become clearer, your confidence can become quieter but stronger, your definition of beauty can become more personal, and maybe the most beautiful chapter is the one where you stop asking whether you are still enough and start asking what you want to become. If Alexandra's journey inspires you, join Prime Elegance Studio for more stories celebrating mature women, timeless fashion, natural beauty, fitness, confidence, and personal growth. Because elegance is not something age takes away, it is something experience teaches us to express. Thank you so much.